So, good day. I'm here to discuss our project, which is entitled as Equalizer for Recorded Audio Files. So, what our project does is, from its name, it is an equalizer. So, we first define what is an equalizer. So, an equalizer, and more commonly known as EQ, is used to change the frequency response of a sound, song, or instrument, and it can be used to give more bass, more treble, less bass, less treble on the recorded audio files. So in here, I will demonstrate our project, and first we need some example audio files. First, we declare our sample audio file as data. So we choose this first one, and we first read it as it is in the WAV format. Then we call on our function entitled as equalizer, and here we have 8 parameters. And first we have the data, the one that we will filter, and the next 5 will be used for the frequency ranges. And first we will demonstrate in boosting the bass of the audio. And here we can see F-low. F-low is the low pass filter, and will be used for boosting the bass. So we can see here the ranges of the bass is from 31 Hz up to 250 Hz. So we can choose the maximum 250 Hz. So we put here 250, and we put 0 to the other parameters, as they will not be necessary in boosting the bass of the audio signal. And then we put 0.5 on RQ, as RQ determines the bandwidth, and the lower the Q, we get a higher bandwidth. And then we name the file as so there we have it, and we'll now listen to it. So this is the original audio. And this one is the boosted bass. So we heard the difference. Now I will demonstrate the treble filtered, and in here we put the F-low, the low pass filter, to 0, as it will not be necessary in boosting the treble of the signal or the sound. And then we put on the value of the frequency of the treble, and as said there, it ranges from 2K to 16 kHz. But we'll be using the lower treble so we can hear it clearly. So we use 2K, and we rename this as treble filter. So we can hear, so we hear again the original audio. And this is the treble boosted audio. demonstrate another example. This time we will be boosting the mid frequency of the audio signal. So we set first to 0 all other frequencies, and then we set to 750 the first center frequency. We got that from our resource, the mid-range that ranges from 500 Hz to 1 kHz. And then we get the center of this, which is about 750 Hz. And then we rename it as and then we listen to it. So this is the original one. And this one is the boosted mid frequency. So that's about it. So we heard all the differences from the original audio to the filtered ones. So thank you very much.
Sabi ng jeep, sabi ng pip,